Avoid using your phone, eating, reading, or grooming while driving to stay focused on the road. Never drive under the influence of alcohol. Use a taxi or designate a sober driver instead. Stick to legal speed limits. Speeding increases the risk of accidents. Maintain calm and patience while driving. Avoid aggressive behaviors like sudden lane changes. If possible, avoid driving in heavy rain. Pull over if visibility is low or roads are slippery. Always stop at red lights. Running them can lead to serious accidents and legal consequences. Stay extra vigilant at night. Use full lights on dark roads with no streetlights. Stay updated on car recalls and ensure regular maintenance to prevent accidents due to car flaws. Keep a safe distance from the car in front to react to sudden stops or turns. Pay attention to street signs and follow proper lane usage and traffic signals. Ensure teenage drivers have defensive driving training, no phone use while driving, and limited passengers.